Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to learn the Python programming language. We'll start by understanding Python's fundamental concepts, like variables, loops, and functions. Consistent practice is key, so try to code for at least 30 minutes every day. Many free online resources offer structured lessons and immediate feedback to help you grasp new ideas quickly. This foundational approach will set you up for success. Once you have the basics down, dive into Python's powerful data structures. Learn how to effectively use lists, dictionaries, and sets to organize your information. Next, explore object-oriented programming, which is crucial for building larger applications. Try creating small projects, like a simple calculator or a text-based game, to solidify your understanding and see how different components work together. Now, let's move into more advanced topics. Discover essential libraries like NumPy for numerical operations, Pandas for data analysis, and Matplotlib for data visualization. Consider exploring web development frameworks such as Django or Flask if you're interested in building web applications. Contributing to open-source projects is an excellent way to gain practical experience and collaborate with other developers. Learning Python is an ongoing journey, so stay connected with the community. Join online forums and groups to ask questions, share your progress, and learn from others. Regularly read official documentation and Python enhancement proposals to stay updated on best practices and new features. Remember to check the description for a link to the Echo Dot smart speaker and other great deals. Keep exploring and building, and your Python skills will continue to grow.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.